Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a table in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Moodle website of your school. After you are in the website, you will be prompted to the login page. Here, you can enter your username and your password to log in. So log into your account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now you need to go to the courses section. Here you can see the My Courses option. Click on it. You'll see a list of courses over here. You can go to any courses that you want to. Just click on it. In this course, I previously created a table. Here you can see the table test. If you want to edit a table, you need to go to the table file first. So click on it. Here you can see the table with bunch of information. Now, in order to edit this table, you need to first enable the edit mode. Here you can see the edit mode at the top right corner. Click on it. Now the edit mode is enabled. You need to go to settings now. Here you can see the settings option. Click on it. Now if you scroll down, here you'll see the page content. You can see a table over here. You can make your necessary changes as per your requirements. If you want to add more table rows and columns, here you can see the insert option. Click on it. Now go to table and choose your preferred number of rows and columns. There you go. You can add more data over here now. And once you're done, you can click on the save option. So that's it. It was a very simple and easy process to edit a table in Moodle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.